Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior B. This is second part of video lecture for class 8 Civics, chapter 3. Dear student, yesterday I told you that main point of democracy is consent of people, that is desire, approval and participation in decision making. Yesterday I also told you that how people provide approval to the government, how people provide approval to the representatives. Students, today we will be discussing some question answer to understand this chapter well. Dear student, do you know who is an MLA? Which person can be considered as MLA? Dear student, MLA means Member of Legislative Assembly. Students, state is divided into so many constituencies, and each constituency send its representative. There are so many political parties, and all the political parties send their leader or representative to these constituencies. Students, after election, the leader receiving maximum voting is declared as winner, and that leader will be considered as MLA. Means an MLA represent constituency. A constituency is an geographical area which send their representative. Next question is, what is difference between State Legislative Assembly and Parliament? Dear student, State Legislative Assembly, as name suggests, state means legislative assembly is within the state, means all the states have legislative assembly. In case of parliament, there is only one parliament in the country. In the election of legislative assembly, people of state can only participate. But in elections of parliament, whole the people of country can participate. Student, now I think you understood better what is State Legislative Assembly and what is Parliament. Parliament is applicable to the country while legislative assembly is applicable only to the state. Members of parliament is called MPs. Members of legislative assembly is called MLA. MLA work within state, while MPs work for the whole countries. Means central ministers work for whole country, while state ministers work for only for their states. Students, now we shall discuss in question number 3 work of legislative assembly and parliament. Means work of state government and central government. Dear students, state government work only within state. Central government work for entire country. Means if new train has to be started, India wants to talk with any country. If new currency has to be started or has to be introduced, all these are work for central government. But what is work of state government? I told you that state government can work within state. If state government wanted to bring some changes in the board exam, for this work state government is responsible. Means what? Central government is more powerful than state government. Next is, there are 4 options, and these options are direct, universal adult franchise, MLA and representative. These 4 points should be filled in blanks. For this, you can do it by yourself. Next, question number 5. Question number 5 says that why any representative is elected only for 5 years rather than for life. Why they are not elected for life? They are elected only for 5 years. My dear students, what can people do if their representative does not work according to their wishes? If representatives are elected for life, people cannot do anything. But if they are elected for 5 years, people can change them after interval of 5 years. This also prohibits representative from becoming आर्बिट्रेरी. रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को मनमाना करने से रोकता है. Representative can fear if they are not working according to the wishes of people. That's why there is provision for election after every interval of every 5 years. Next is, what are the way to provide their approval or disapproval other than election? No doubt, yesterday I told you that election is the way of providing approval or disapproval or their consent. But question is that other than election, how people can approve or disapprove the government or action of government? Dear student, despite election, by procession, by making hartal, by writing letter, with the help of media, with the help of newspaper, there are so many ways by which people can provide their approval or disapproval to the action of government. That's all. Stay at home to fight with Corona. Have a nice day.